We're stopping at the #1 roadside attraction in Virginia, the Dinosaur Kingdom Park. Take some pictures of these statues over here before we go home. But I just realized this is supposed to be King Kong. I think this is supposed to be him breaking out of the chains when in New York. That's what I think this is supposed to be. And there's a Loch Ness Monster. Need about tree fitty. Is that the Frankenstein monster with the legs of a chicken? I gotta get a closer look at that. Yep, it's just as I thought. That is a Frankenstein with chicken legs. Oh my God. That's hilarious.